A flood victim in Haryana's Kaithal district allegedly slapped Jannayak Janta Party MLA Ishwar Singh. Notably, MLA Ishwar Singh was on his visit to flood-affected areas in Kaithal when the incident took place. The woman was part of the crowd gathered in the area after the arrival of Gulha Chekka constituency MLA and were all irked over poor drainage system that resulted in waterlogging. They also questioned over delay in his visit. An angry woman then slapped the MLA. A video of the incident also went viral on social media. In the purported video, the woman and the other locals could be heard saying, "Why have you come now?"